Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy here, Glowstick, back with another video, and today what we're gonna be going over is an unmute and mute command in Discord.js. I mean Discord.py. I really messed up that intro. I'm terrible at intros, you know. But if you notice a few differences, such as the screen's a bit wider, because I'm actually coding on my monitor today, and so yeah. And you're also gonna be hearing a bit of a clickiness like this. That's just when I type because I'm using my mechanical keyboard and stuff, so yeah. Yeah, but that's gonna be it. And this is gonna be kind of a smart mute command, I guess you could say. Not really, it's still gonna be stupid, because I'm stupid, but what it's gonna be is like it's gonna check if you have a muted role, and if you don't, then it's gonna create one for them. That's basically what it's gonna do. And so yeah, let's hop right into it. So we're just gonna go in with it. So we're gonna add a client decorators client command, and then what we want to do is we just want to do async def new, and we're gonna pass in ctx and literally whatever you need here. So we're gonna be passing in, so for this one, sorry for this, ctx, and then member equals discord dot member, and then all, and then lastly we're just gonna do reason equals none, something simple like this, and then open that up. And now that we open that up, we can just add something. I'm saying something way too much, but what we want to add is we just want to copy this, paste that in here, and this is just going to be for our permissions, and then change this to manage messages. Boom. So if they can manage messages, then they can mute people. And then manage messages. Now we can get to the actual coding part. So guild equals ctx.guild, because we will be using guild, and the mute role, and that's going to be equal to discord.utils. I probably spelled that wrong. There we go. And then it's just gonna get the role name, so guild.roles name equals muted. Simple thing right there. And then what we're gonna run is an if not muted role. So if they don't have a muted role or a role called muted, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create the one for them. So we're gonna do role equals to guild dot create underscore role, and then that's going to be name equals muted. And then what we're going to do after that is for channel, so every channel there is channel in, so every single channel there is, it's gonna do ctx and instead of putting that there, let's put that first thing there, so you know it says that first and then it goes on to the rest. And now we can actually put in here and this is just for the channel permission, so make sure you know what do you call it, the role cannot talk in any of the permissions. So it's underscore per. Here we go, and mute role, and then speak was false, and open that up again, and then send messages. And we're gonna do read underscore message underscore history. I spelled that wrong, so I'm just gonna grab it from here, but we're gonna be setting that to true. And then we're gonna do read underscore messages equals true. Boom. There you go. Now that's gonna actually just create the mute role. Now we're gonna just add our mute role, and how we're gonna do that is we're just gonna do what do you call it? Await add, and remember to add underscore roles, and then open that up, and inside that's gonna have mute role like so, and what's the reason? So the reason we're adding this is because of the reason right there, and boom. So that's just gonna add our mute role, and let's actually send a DM to the person who's been doing it. So we're gonna F string that, and the person who's been muted, so we're gonna say you have been muted from and then put in guild dot name, and then end that off, and then it's gonna say the reason. So reason is reason. Boom. And that's gonna be it for our mute command. So actually, let's test it out. So just click this arrow. If you're on repel, just click the big run button, I guess. And yeah. So alright, so as you guys can see, it's a drones online, and if we go into our code here, so we can do d mute at glow stick. Now what this does is it of course gives us a bunch of errors because I'm bad at coding. Let me fix these real quick and I'll come back. Okay, so I actually got the problem. One of the problems was that our two here, they were inside of this for loop. Just you want to make them out so then it doesn't consistently repeat that, and I actually messed up here. Yeah, so this is meant to be I did this wrong, I guess, and instead of equal signs it's supposed to be boom. Who knew? I know, right? But yeah, this should work now. So if we ignore that, run it, and now just wait for our thing to come up. It'll come up soon. It's fine. Yeah, and now if we just do demute glow stick, and again it gave us an error. Let me go back. Oh wow, I don't even need to go back. I can't spell again. This is just an ongoing thing in our videos. It's because of the keyboard, but I spelled name wrong. If you guys did this in yours too, just fix that, you know. And now, okay, this one should work or you get your money back, guys. So glow stick, demute, and it actually, the bot wasn't online, so I was going a bit ahead of myself. So if we just do dping, okay, we know the bot works now, and it should mute us. So the reason why it couldn't mute us is because it wasn't high enough, I think, in row hierarchy. What you gotta do is make sure your bot, right, so the bot you're coding, I guess, or whatever bot, make sure it's pretty high up in the row hierarchy, just so it can like ban members like tier and stuff like that. Just gonna help out a lot. And yeah, Okay, so after a bit of time I fixed it, and yeah, so just copy the code, just see like what's wrong and stuff. And yeah, one of the things that was wrong is I just didn't have an await ctx.send, so I really didn't get a confirmation message. If you get if you get trouble, I can't talk, but if you have trouble with this, just hop on over to my Discord. I'll help you out. We have another helper here. He's good at discord.py. You can't see him right now, but he'll help you out too. So anyways, the bot's up, and so if we just do d new at glowstick, it will say users muted. And now, as you guys can see, we got a DM from Jerome, and it says, you have been muted from Glowstick's Hangout for a reason none. I tested this before, and now, if we do demute, now let's get rid of our mute rule, right here, and then demute at Glowstick, bad YouTuber. And as you guys can see, it says bad YouTuber. Kind of true though, not gonna lie with you, but yeah, there you go. Now let's work on an unmute command, and it's basically the same thing. So all we want to do is we want to copy and paste that code, you know what I'm saying? Just paste that up in here. Ooh. Yep, and change that to on. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep a lot of the same thing, but instead of creating a new one, we're gonna actually just send this kind of long message. So I'm just gonna, what do you call it? I have it here in my notes. I'm just gonna copy and paste it. I'm not trying to send that again. But hold up, no. We're gonna get rid of the for loop actually, and if not mute rule, we're just gonna paste that in, right? You can write this out and you can customize this how you'd like. But all I'm saying is a mute rule hasn't been found. Yeah, that's only if they don't have a mute rule. That's all it is. The mute rule hasn't been found, and then we can just return this. That's it. So we'll just stop there, I guess, and then everything else would be the same. And then we can change that to unmuted, and instead of add roles, we can change this to remove roles. Right there, and boom, that's actually it. So yeah, let's test this out. So actually, let's just use this unmuted, and let's test this out. So we run this, and just wait for the bot to load up. You know, actually no, my monitor's shaking now. Bad idea. And then go to our Chrome. It's loaded up for me, and just to test, do dping. As you guys can see, it works. And then if we mute us, say be gone. Got the confirmation. Boom, it says be gone. I'm gonna leave now. So sad. And then if we do the unmute, come back, and boom, you have been reason to come back. And as you guys can see, we no longer have the rule. I'll do that again. So the unmute at glowstick. Boom, we have the rule. And then do the unmute at glowstick. Boom, the rule is gone. I'm just gonna look at all these, and yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. And I really hope you enjoyed. Our channel is growing insanely fast right now, and insanely, I mean, like, you know, to my standards, it's not like 100,000, but we're gaining like a lot of views a day and everything. So I really appreciate that. If you appreciate the videos that I make here, be sure to hit subscribe, leave a like down below, and yeah, just join the army. And we don't really have an army, I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, anyways, till next time, glow stick out.